Are you tired of spending hours, even days, crafting the perfect website? Or perhaps you're exasperated by the high costs of hiring professionals to do it for you. Navigating the online business world can be daunting, especially when it comes to creating a website that's both appealing and functional. But what if there was a tool that could simplify the process for you? A tool that's not only user-friendly but also cost-effective. Well, that's where WebCreator 2.0 comes in. If this sounds familiar, you're in for a treat. Say hello to WebCreator 2.0, your new secret weapon in the online business world. WebCreator 2.0 is an AI-powered website creation tool that claims to build high-converting websites in just 30 seconds. This ingenious platform leverages artificial intelligence to craft stunning, efficient websites tailored to your business needs. All you need to do is provide basic details like your business name and preferred color scheme, and WebCreator 2.0 does the rest. It targets an array of trending niches, from fitness and dating to pets and self-improvement, technology, affiliate marketing, and finance. So, no matter your industry, WebCreator 2.0 has got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. WebCreator 2.0 is not just about creating websites, it's about helping businesses transition to the digital world. In today's ever-connected and digital age, having a website is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about credibility, visibility, and success. It's about reaching out to your customers where they are online. And with WebCreator 2.0, you don't just get a website, you get a high-converting, mobile-responsive, SEO-optimized online presence. With WebCreator 2.0, moving your business online has never been easier or faster. Now you might be wondering, what makes WebCreator 2.0 stand out from the crowd? Well, let's begin with the key features. First up, we have security. In this digital age, nothing is more crucial than safeguarding your online presence. WebCreator 2.0 provides robust security measures to protect your website from potential threats, ensuring your business operates smoothly without any interruptions. Next, we delve into the world of SEO optimization. The power of being found on search engines is undeniable. WebCreator 2.0 equips your website with SEO optimization capabilities, enhancing your visibility and driving organic traffic your way. It's like having a digital billboard on the world's busiest highway. Now let's talk about mobile responsiveness. More than half of the world's internet traffic comes from mobile devices. WebCreator 2.0 ensures your website looks and works great on all devices, from smartphones to tablets and desktops. It's about reaching your audience wherever they are, whatever device they're using. And let's not forget the extensive library of over 100 templates. Whether you're in fitness, dating, self-improvement, technology, or finance, there's a template tailored for your business. Each one is thoughtfully designed, customizable, and ready to impress your audience. Moreover, WebCreator 2.0 comes with a free commercial license. This means you can use the tool to create websites for your clients, offering a new revenue stream for your business. These features of WebCreator 2.0 aren't just about building a website. They're about building a successful online presence. They're about reaching and engaging your audience, building your brand, and positioning your business for growth. They're about making the transition to the online world not just easy, but also profitable. With these features, WebCreator 2.0 not only simplifies the process of creating a website, but it also sets your business up for success. Still on the fence? WebCreator 2.0 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, folks. 30 full days to test drive this AI-powered website creation tool. If you're not completely satisfied with the high-converting websites it crafts in just 30 seconds, you can get your money back, no questions asked. It's a risk-free opportunity to transition your business online and boost your credibility. And there's more. WebCreator 2.0 doesn't just offer a swift and secure website building experience, it also provides SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, and over 100 templates to choose from. Imagine the possibilities and the edge it can give your business. Now, we know taking the first step can be daunting, but with the safety net of the money-back guarantee, there's no reason not to give WebCreator 2.0 a try. So, why wait? Check out the discount link in the description below and start your journey towards dominating your industry. Don't let the challenge of website creation hold your business back. Try WebCreator 2.0 today and experience the difference it can make.